catch him. Come. You can see this is the egg that will just bring out on slight pressure. This egg is golden green, as you can see. It's very good for breeding. So what we just did now, we have shown you how to test if female broodstock is viable. Those that are not ready, you will press and press, nothing will come out. But it's so fortunate that the broodstock will have them, they are ready. So you can, the reason why we are covering the head is this is the way we anesthetize them whenever you want to run your test. When you put a wet cloth on the head and cover the two eyes, it's have a way of sending the fish to go and sleep. So you can see this is the lateral line. This is the lateral line that runs through, and this is the genital organ. It's round. We don't have male here because whenever I want to hatch, you get me from that side to avoid inbreeding. So to identify a female has a round genital organ, as you can see. So this is a dorsal fin that runs from here to this place to show you that this is pure clarias. Alright, let me take it back. And how to check if the broodstock is viable. Like for example now this fish. So we want to show you how to check if the quality of the egg is okay. As you can see, this fish is having egg. This is a broodstock that is more than 1 year old. So use your thumb and press here. That's the egg coming out. So you get the egg. You see this egg color is greenish. So this egg is acceptable. When you use it, it's going to hatch. Because according to the rule, you see on a slight pressure, the egg just comes out without much pressure to show that it's ready. Then this is pure clarias, and one of the way we identify pure clarias is the presence of this dorsal fin. You can see it run from this region down to the tail down here. Then if you want to inject, one basic thing you have to note is the lateral line. This is the lateral line. This is the lateral line. I hope you're coming to the lateral line. Yeah. This is the lateral line. Then you inject above this lateral line, below this dorsal fin. So anywhere around here you can inject. Anywhere around here. So this fish is actually good to go for breeding process. All right.